Hello, I'm in a 2002 Ford F-150 and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood and then towards the passenger side you should see your battery here with your positive terminal there and your negative there. And you can also double check this by checking on the batteries as well, because there'll be a little plus sign by the positive terminal and a negative by the negative terminal. And I would next double check for any corrosion built up here. If there is, clean it off with a good brush or rag. And then next, make sure these are tight. If they're loose, you can tighten them because you want to make sure you have a good metal connection. But at that point, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, I would take your metal clamps for your positive side and put them as much metal contact as you can on the positive feed, and then your negative clamp with as much metal contact as you have on this negative side. And if you're using jumper cables with another vehicle, make sure the vehicle's on with the motor running, and you want to make sure this positive terminal leads to the positive on the other vehicle and your negative leads to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross them by mistake, where say you have a positive leading to a negative, just because that can cause significant damage to your computer systems, electronics, things like that. But all that said, once you've had those connected for a few minutes, hopefully that's enough to get you started here. And if you've been trying that for quite a while with no success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do just by loosening and removing these terminals, taking this little plastic cover off, loosening anything else that needs, so you can just pull this old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then just attach and tighten everything, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.